achieve. Good evening to all the viewers of Corona Wellness Program from Facebook and YouTube Live. Hope you all are having a pleasant evening. The Corona Wellness Program is an initiative by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka with the blessings of our State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sindhya Sir along with Manoj Lekhi ji from LIA, Life Essence Academy. This is a holistic healing session featuring Dr. Jignasha and Mrs. Preeti Shukla. I would also like to welcome the host for today, Mr. Vishal Methi. Over to you, sir.
Good evening. Thank you, everyone. So, let me tell you the purpose of this program and the program details. The purpose of the program is very simple and clear. Because of this pandemic, people are too much stressful, they have lots of anxiety, and to make them physically and mentally healthy, we have organized this program. The duration of the program is for 30 minutes. It is divided into two parts. First 20 minutes will be taken care by Dr. Jignasha ji. She is basically an international sound healer and trainer. She has done post-graduation diploma in yogic science from Saurashtra University. She did therapeutic training from Dr. M. Gore and Dr. Bhole Kevalyadham Lonavla. They both are yoga scientists. She is a Reiki master as well as she takes lots of classes for Sanskar, yoga and sound healing. Today we are going to learn Tibetan sound healing, ball healing, and that is really important to release your stress. A stress-free mind helps you to take a better decision and live your life peacefully. The second part will be taken care by Bindu Bendre, and she will go with the affirmations. Affirmations will help you to make a mentally strong. You can enjoy this session with your family and friends. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Jignasha ji. Before that, I just want to mention that if possible, you can carry a headphone or earphone that will give you a more effective result. Over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste, everyone. Today we will do one meditation with the help of Tibetan singing bowl. This is called the Tibetan singing bowl. When we strike it, there is a beautiful sound. That's why we can call singing bowl. Yeah. For this meditation, you have to just lie down on your back and enjoy the sound with produced with different bowl. So, and it would be better if you wear headphone and lie down on your back. And let's start. We have only 18 minutes to do. So just be ready. Lie down on your back, legs apart. Both the hands are relaxed firm. Relax your head. Take a deep breath in and slowly and gently breathe out. And relax yourself completely. Relax. 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 Again, take a deep breath in. Hold. Connect with the sound. And while breathing out, relax yourself completely. Relax. 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 To be happy, healthy, and peaceful is our nature. Let's pray to God. So we are entering into the journey of sound. We all become peaceful, happy, and healthy. Just be with the sound and relax every cell of your body. Gurave sarvalokanam visaje bhavaroginam nidhaye sarvavidhyanam dakshinamurtaye namah. Slowly and gently take your attention to your face. Relax your face completely, relax. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes, jaw muscles, lips. Not only your 2 ears, but every cell of your body is listening the sound. Just be with the sound and relax yourself completely. Relax. Now take your attention to your neck and relax your neck completely. Take your attention to your shoulders. Relax your both of the shoulders completely. Relax, relax, relax. Release all the stress, anxiety and tension and relax them completely. Just be with the sound. If thought comes, just release and label as a thought. And connect with the sound. Relax both of your hands. Now take your attention to your chest. Again, take a deep breath in. Expand your chest. Hold. And slowly and gently breathe out. And relax your chest completely. Relax. Relax. Take your attention to your heartbeat. Listen the music of your heartbeat. It's a good voice. With every beat, he is telling us, I am with you. We all are protected, guided, and
and supported by divine power. Every cell of your body is listening the sound, and you become more and more peaceful, happy and healthy. Now take your attention to your neck region. Relax them completely. Relax. 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 Now take your attention to your navel region. Again, take a deep breath in. And while breathing out, relax your navel region completely. Relax. 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 Take your attention to your right leg. And again, take a deep breath in. Slowly and gently breathe out. And relax your right leg completely. Relax. Take your attention to your left leg and relax it completely. Relax your thigh muscles, knee, calf muscles, sole, and relax your left leg completely. Relax. Now take your attention to your spine. Relax every vertebra of your spine. Your whole body is totally relaxed. Now be with the divine journey of sound. Just be in Savasana and listen the affirmations by Manojji.
Now, let's begin journey of affirmations on mind. Mind is very powerful, and when we understand it, we can master it. By these affirmations, you will be able to give direction to your thoughts. So let's take an opportunity to speak them silently in your mind. Just be with these affirmations.
So it will go deep into your subconscious. Now, the affirmations. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I think higher than I feel. My thoughts are very clear. I am at ease and happy with all my thoughts. I find new and creative gratitudes every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I keep my mind churning to notice more and more minute details of the day. This way, I can be all the time in gratitude. Thank you. I enjoy the little things in life. I relax on the visions put into my subconscious. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love to meditate daily. I meditate 3 or even more times in a day. After meditation, I visualize how I wish to be, do or have. After meditation, I visualize my ideal world and see that it's happening in tremendous gratefulness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whenever I look into the mirror, I give myself a great smile. Acknowledging my happy physical existence. Whenever I see anyone with a perfect body, I thank him or her for being my inspiration. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm aware about the self-talk about my body. My mind is very silent all the time. I verbalize what I want. Thank you. I'm 100% with whatever I do, whether it be eating, sleeping, having bath, singing, brushing, or anything. Thank you. I learn from every step. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Be with your breath and turn to your left. Slowly rise and sit in a comfortable position and gently open your eyes. Hope you all have enjoyed these affirmations on mind. YouTube link for these affirmations is available. Thank you, Manoj, for wonderful affirmations on mind. Mind is very powerful and is a combination of three brains: cerebellum, limbic, and neocortex. When we understand how these three brain works, we understand how our mind functions. And once we understand how our mind functions, we can master it. And with this, we can master our thoughts. We can choose our thoughts and can give direction to our life and can achieve whatever we want in our life. We would like to invite you all in our RSVK and Life Essence Academy, where we practices how we can master our mind, how we can give direction to our thoughts. So Leah Help Desk and Leah System will help you to design your life and to design your mind and to give the direction to your thoughts. So for any queries, you can contact us on our help desk number 9167499499, and you can log into our help desk on Zoom, morning time 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and evening time 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have also given you our QR code on your left hand side on the screen so that you can scan it and log in directly. Now with this, there is a time for segment intending. So let's watch video by Manoj on segment intending. Be with this video.
To segment intending. What is segment intending? It is a pause which we take every 1.5 hours, and the pause is just a gratitude break and an opportunity to create what we want. There are two parts. One is the past and one is the future. What we have to do is just put our hands on the heart and thank the past. Three things we will thank the past. Past is, first, we thank, if you have a guru, thank Guruji or your mother and father. So thank you, Guruji, or thank you, mommy and daddy, for giving this wonderful life. The second thank you is, thank you, this Mother Earth, for giving us so much love. And the third thank you is, thank you to this wonderful body to give us vibrant health. Now, this is the past. Now, future. So put the other hand here, and the future we create. So future we create is, thank you, thank you, thank you. The next 1.5 hours is the most wonderful hours of my life. And then you may add on whatever you're going to do. You can add on to that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And whatever you want to say, you can say, and say it in positive, present, continuous tense. That's all you have to do. Takes 1 minute. And put your hand first, the past. Put your hand this way, the future. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Manoj, for such a wonderful video on segment intending. With this, I would like to take an opportunity to thank Jignama also for such a wonderful sound healing session. Thank you, thank you, thank you for connecting us with sounds, and all the participants, all the viewers, thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was a wonderful session. I would like to thank all the facilitators for this wonderful session. I hope you all will join us back tomorrow 7:30 in the evening for an English session and tomorrow 7:30 in the morning for an Hindi session. We'll be back with new facilitators, Mr. Jagdish Bhatt and Mrs. Sarita for tomorrow, and we'll have pranayama and affirmations. Now, I would like to keep you all informed about some of the initiatives by Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka. Firstly, tomorrow we will have a webinar on what to do next after testing positive for COVID. It'll be about COVID symptoms, early recognitions, about how you can home isolate yourself, and COVID treatment by Dr. VLS Kumar, who is the Vice Chairman of IRCS. The webinar will be held tomorrow at 11 a.m. and you can register yourself using the QR code or the link that is given. If you are not able to register, then you can join us through the Facebook Live. The next one is the Scout Oxygen Bank. For COVID-19 positive individuals under home isolation in Bengaluru city, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka will be able to provide oxygen concentrators when it is necessary. The contact details is given on the screen. You can contact in case it is necessary. The next one is the Good Turn for tomorrow. So the Good Turn for 24th of May 2021 is to keep water for birds and animals outside your house so that they can come and drink it. You need to take a picture of that and share it in the link that is provided and use the hashtag ScoutGoodTurnDaily. Also, you are required to join the Corona Wellness Program tomorrow, either in the evening or morning 7:30, and share the photo in your social media website and share the link in the link given. The next one is the Digital Scout Registration. All Cubs, Bulbul Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka can now register themselves digitally. We can all stay connected on a virtual basis. You will get updates and information about activities and programs from Bharat Scouts and Guides. All you need to do is to open the browser, enter the link that is given, and then fill the form to submit it. The next one is about the Scouts Kilo badges. If you have done your digital logbook, then you can submit your cook badge in the first link that is given, solar energy badge level 1 in the second link that is given, and the bookbinder skill badge in the third link that is given. Also, you can submit your family tree chart in the link that is provided on the screen. Also, you can do the Once a Scout, Always a Scout activity. You can interview any family member who has been a part of scouting or guiding and ask them about their experience, the new skills that they learned, and what they felt about scouting or guiding. You can submit the same in the link that is given below. I hope you all enjoyed this session and I wish to see you all tomorrow. Thank you.